This is our QLQ automatic plastic zipper shining fill sealing machine. This machine is used for sealing the shining fill on the surface of the zipper tip. Now let's start the machine. The zipper will go through the wheel and go through the oven with high temperature. And then this shining fill will go down, and the fill and the zipper will blend it together. You can see and go through here. The wasted fill will go up, and the zipper will go through the wheel by the pull bell controller. Pull bell wheel, you can see the result. The fill can fill the zipper very beautiful and shiny.